Yeah, hi guys, yes. So now that is what is known as the central axial filament. The main piece has the central axial filament, as I already told you. Along with that, no guys, it is one more sheath which is covering that, which is known as the protoplasmic sheath. Protoplasmic sheath. Alright? Yes. So the central axial filament is surrounded by the protoplasmic sheath that forms the main piece. And guys, can you look at the edge guys? Look at the tip. Can you see a part which is projecting out from the main tail piece? That is actually the end piece. Alright guys. So that is actually the end piece which further helps in providing the motility as well. Alright. Yeah, so this is what you have to know regarding the sheet. And one more interesting thing guys, if you look at the picture clearly, you can see that this light blue color is covering the entire structure, the entire body of the sperm, right? So that entire covering is nothing but the plasma membrane. So the plasma membrane surrounds the complete body, the whole body of the sperm. So you have to know that whole body of the sperm is covered by the plasma membrane. And one more important thing which you have to know about the head part regarding the membranes is that if you take the head part, plasma membrane is of course the outermost. If you take just the head part alone, I'll use some different color. Yeah. So this part alone, no guys, this part, the cap alone, the cap of the acrosome alone, this part alone has one layer, right? And from there on, if you see, it is surrounded by another layer till the end. Guys, all these, I mean, not till the end, till the middle piece, Alright, and outer to this layer is where is the plasma membrane, right? So this green part which I have marked there is nothing but that layer, that is also a sheath which is covering the acrosome head, that is known as Gallia capitis. Gallia capitis, important one mark. Alright, it's forming the cap, right, of the acrosome. You call it Gallia capitis. And then you have the sheath which is covering till the middle part, right? So you guys can erase this off till the middle part, till this part. So that you call it actually the manchete. So this part you call it the manchete. Alright. So this is about the sheath which is covering the sperm. Alright guys, now coming to some interesting points about, and which is very important. I'm just not just telling you the interesting points. So these are the important facts from which you can expect a lot of questions. Important facts. So guys, know that the motility, so when you talk about the motility conferred by the tail, the flagella, so the speed of the sperm, the average speed of the sperm, if you see, is 1.5 mm per minute. Okay, 1.5 mm per minute. And guys, in the spermatogenesis concept, I told you that in one ejaculation during copulation or coitus, what happens, around 200 to 300 million sperms will ejaculate in one ejaculation, right? Yes. So among these many sperms, only 60% of them will have the normal shape and size. Normal shape and size. And 40% of this 60%, what I am saying, 40% of this 60% only will show vigorous motility. Vigorous motility, I mean, normally the speed I told you that it is 1.5 mm per minute. Now here they show 4 mm per minute. Alright, the vigorous motility is shown only by the 40% of that 60%. Alright guys, very, very important. Alright, and if you ask me, ma'am, how much time does it take for the sperm to reach the fallopian tube? It takes around 30 minutes for the sperm, 30 minutes for the sperm to reach the fallopian tube, which is the oviduct. Alright guys, these are some of the important facts, and now I am going to tell you some important problems, right? So some important numerical problems. Of course, they are very easy and interesting. For example guys, if I am saying that there are 1000 sperms in the ejaculation, alright, 1000 sperms. Can you tell me from the concept which I told you, the 60% concept, how many of the sperms will have normal shape and size? And how many of them will show vigorous motility? So these are the two questions which I am giving you. Alright. So what will be the answer guys? What will be the answer? I told 60%, right? 60% will show. So this is the first subdivision and second subdivision. 60% will show vigorous, normal shape and size. That is 600 sperms will show normal shape and size. What about the second subdivision? How many show vigorous motility? 40% of the 60% guys. So the answer is 240. 240 sperms show vigorous motility. So these type of problems you can expect very important from your exam perspective. Alright. And I wanted to ask you one more question from spermatogenesis. You can go back to the previous video. It was about spermatogenesis. There you can expect problems of this sort. Alright guys. If they say that there are 1000 spermatozoans, 1000 I can say, see, if there are 1000 primary spermatocytes, how many sperms will form from that? If there are 1000 primary spermatocytes, how many sperms can form from that? That is the first question. So if you go back to the spermatogenesis video, you will understand that from one primary spermatocyte, 4 sperms will form. If that is the case, the answer is 4000 sperms. Alright guys. And to give much definition to the question, if they ask you from 1000 primary spermatocytes, right, how many sperms with the condition 22 plus X will be formed? Sperms with condition 22 plus X will be formed. So from spermatogenesis, you guys would have understood that half the sperms are of this nature and half the sperms of 22 plus Y nature. So here they are asking you 22 plus X. So 50%, right? So 50% of 4000, that is 2000 sperms will have this condition. Alright guys, so this is the problem which you can expect from spermatogenesis. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos. So guys, my aim here is to give you all the concepts in an easy way. So if you guys are really enjoying my videos, you can comment below whatever topics you want me to teach again or whatever new topics you want me to concentrate on. So hope you guys are enjoying my videos. Please do like and subscribe, and you can also share it with your friends and ask them to subscribe as well if you guys enjoy the videos. Thank you so much for watching guys. Bye bye. Have a great day.